The startle horse was installed in 1990 by Mark Dell, who was inspired by Edgar Degas and George Stubbs.
Edgar Degas was a French impressionist who was born in 1834 and died in 1970.
George Stubbs was a British artist who lived between 1724 and 1806. He was best known for his paintings of horses.
What do you think about the statue?
Right. It gives me memories of my children when they're not here and they're at school. I come walking around here with my dog, enjoying the quiet, and I can see my kids jumping all over it because that's what they like to do.
The sculpture shows a sheer sense of power of the horse and its reluctancy to accept human control. Wow.
As you can see, the startled horse is in very good condition. It seems like it is coming to an abrupt halt, with its ears back, mouth open, as if it is neighing. Neigh!
The industrial materials used to create the startled horse represent the industrial age of the local area, Stoke-on-Trent. Fascinating.
It is clear that oxidisation has occurred due to weathering over the time it has been situated here at JCB Lake. It has been here for almost 30 years.
The development of photography in the 1870s encouraged new interest in the movement of animals. Do you know I once had a horse that was very ill? I had to go to the hospital.
The racecourse in Uttoxeter is an epicentre of excellence. Upon recent visit, it still holds a special place in my heart with charismatic charm.
It was built in 1907, survived both World Wars, and there are still races taking place to this day.
JCB was founded in 1945 right here in Rochester. It's grown so big you can now even buy your own merch.
Your own merch? That sounds sick. Where can I get it?
It's done well really for around here for employment. Yeah. Because there's nothing really.